There was a time when I felt stuck. I didn't know where life was heading, and every job I applied felt like another rejection waiting to happen. And then I stumbled upon digital marketing. I didn't think much of this at first, just another skill people talk about online. But something clicked. I realized this wasn't just about ads or social media. It was a way to create real opportunities for myself and even for others. Welcome back to Remote Work Tribe, your go-to channel for everything remote work. Today, I'm not just here to talk about digital marketing, but to show you how it can truly transform your career, your income, and even your confidence. Stick with me to the end of this video, and I'll even share with you one of my personal strategies that has landed me actual clients. Let's dive in. Digital marketing is everywhere. Every Instagram ad you scroll past, every email that grabs your attention, and every Google search result you click on. But here is the beauty. Behind every one of those ads is someone like you and me. Someone who learned the skill, took a chance, and started making impact. What makes digital marketing so powerful is that it doesn't require years of experience or even a degree. It is accessible. You can start from scratch, learn as you go, and create real value for businesses that are desperate for help reaching their audience. As a digital marketing professional myself, one of the most important lessons I've learned is this: be specific. See, generic messages get ignored easily, but a targeted personal message, that gets results. Now here's an example of the email that I sent to 10 potential clients that actually got results. Hi, I visited your website and studied how fantastic your hotel services are. We recently launched a campaign for our client that saw 300 new bookings in just 30 days. Can we chat about how we can do the same for you? See how specific this was. Out of the 10 emails that we sent out, 4 actually responded saying, yes, we are interested, and 3 said, we'll get back to you. Now, why did it work? Because it wasn't about me. It was about them, their services, their potential, and how we could help. Specificity creates trust, and trust opens doors. Getting started doesn't have to be overwhelming for you. Now here is the 3 simple paths that I have created for you. 1. Pick one area of focus. Social media management, email marketing, or even writing ads. Don't try to master everything all at once. 2. Learn the basics. Use free resources like HubSpot Academy, Google Digital Garage, or even YouTube. 3. Practice. There is no overemphasizing this at all. Create mock campaigns for imaginary clients, or even offer your services to small businesses for free at first. Experience builds confidence. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Now let's talk tools. These are your best friends in digital marketing. Canva makes creating visuals easy, even if you are not a designer or if you are just even starting. 2. Grammarly polishes your emails and content so they always sound professional. 3. MailChimp helps you send out email campaigns that grab attention and even drive results. Start simple. These tools are here to make your job easier, not harder. Now, once you've got a few skills under your belt, the opportunities are endless. Join platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Clickworters.com to find clients. Apply for entry-level roles on LinkedIn or Remote.co, or take the entrepreneurial route. Help small businesses in your area to grow their online presence. Whether it's creating Instagram campaigns or writing targeted emails, businesses are always looking for people or marketers who are going to help them. Now that is where people like you come in. I know starting something new can be intimidating, but here is the truth. Digital marketing isn't just a career path. It is a toolkit for freedom. It gives me the opportunity to work from anywhere and help businesses grow. And it can do the same for you. Take the first step today. Experiment, learn, and grow. And if you're already on this journey, share your experience in the comment section. Let's build a community where we support and inspire each other. Remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to start. You've got this.